Hello everyone, welcome back to the Hustle Brothers. Today we're exploring a provocative topic, how Tesla could fare under the new Trump presidency if he is elected. So let's waste no time and let's jump into the key areas that might see impact. So as you're probably aware, lately we've seen Elon Musk heavily endorse Donald Trump. And do we think this for good reason? Let's dive into the 4 reasons why Tesla investors should be positive about a Donald Trump administration. So first up, we have Donald Trump's approach to trade and tariffs, which has been aggressive, particularly towards China. With Tesla's significant investments in China manufacturing, any new tariffs could complicate operations and increase costs. However, this might encourage Tesla to boost its US manufacturing capacity, which then aligns with Trump's America First economic strategy, potentially leading to incentives or tax relief for domestic production. So at number 2, we have energy policies. Trump's energy agenda has heavily supported fossil fuels, which could initially seem negative for renewable energy companies like Tesla. However, his focus on deregulation might benefit Tesla indirectly by reducing the bureaucratic hurdles for new battery plants or technological innovations, making it easier and potentially cheaper for Tesla to expand operations in America. Right guys, let's pause there, bang that subscribe button for all your Tesla related content. Now let's get back to step 3. So at number 3, infrastructure initiatives. Trump has voiced support for large-scale infrastructure projects. While his administration might not specifically target electric vehicles, broad improvements in infrastructure could reduce overall costs for transportation companies and facilitate wider adoption indirectly, which will benefit Tesla's network of superchargers and enhancing customer accessibility. So it brings us to number 4, market dynamics. Trump's policies can influence market sentiment significantly, impacting investors' confidence and stock prices. For Tesla, a positive economic outlook and a bullish stock market under Trump policies could drive further investments into Tesla shares, supporting companies' market valuation and funding capabilities for future projects. Looking ahead, while Trump's policy might not be directly aimed at promoting electric vehicles, the indirect effect of his economic and trade policies could create a complex but potentially favourable landscape for Tesla, from strengthening US manufacturing to possibly benefiting from a more bullish economy. Tesla might find new opportunities for growth with projects such as FSD and Optimus. Next, watch the breakdown on Optimus in 3 minutes.